My name is Fiona Mwende and welcome to my YouTube channel.
Sé que tú estás arrepentida por los momentos que perdí al lado tuyo. Solo contigo, mi amor. Extraño tus labios y tu mirar. Piel morena hermosa, olor de mar. Oye, costeñita, te voy a besar al frente de la playa, qué buen lugar. Momentos tan ricos para recordar. Es que todo contigo es tan real. Hay cosas que no se pueden contar, que a los suegros no le van a gustar. Enamorado de ti, solo en la playa vamos a desvestirnos. Baby, te quiero decir y yo no te olvido, mami, nunca te olvido a ti. Y mírame a los ojos que se me nota lo que siento al verte. Dame la luz pa' que te beses, babe, que en la cabaña y probamos suerte y te besé. Ya las sábanas lo sabían cuando esa boca gritaba Ave María. Contigo se sueña de día y por la noche sabes pa' qué venía. Nadie más, no eres como las demás. No es porque estás aquí, pa' ti sin mentiras. Yo lo sé, mamá, no eres como las demás. No me importa nadie más, solo yo quiero a ti.
I'll be showing you a beautiful restaurant located in the posh suburbs of Gigiri, the village market. The restaurant is Jiko by Tribe Hotel. And if you haven't been to this place, stick around and let me show you what it has to offer. If you're coming across my YouTube channel for the first time, please subscribe. I show some of the most beautiful hotels inside and outside of Nairobi, and if that's content that interests you, well, I propose that you click the subscribe button.
Gotea como será caliente, oscuridad cambia el ambiente. Baby, yo te prendo la vela. Mi amor, te seguiré en la noche. Haz brillar tu luz y volveré. Baby, yo te prendo la vela.
We are exploring Jiko by Tribe at Village Market, and I am here with Lavin. Hi guys! So we are having juices as we wait for our lunch. Cheers, girl.
Cheers. I'm having a cocktail.
And I'm having a nana berry.
We may have it all, up the ladder, down the road, different mysteries, full life mixed with tears. We are happy most of the time, and we get along better than fine. Left and right we braid, through the ups and downs we sway. It's easy either way. Nothing ever felt as good or as easy as when we were young. Though I felt misunderstood, it was a pleasure running away with you. We were just children acting like adults, crazy, naive, bold and carefree. We we didn't fall apart harder than we did.
So generally, this place is beautiful. As Fiona has described it, it brings you to this. You feel like you're in a jungle because everywhere you have the plants, and apart from that, they have good customer service. There's no time I've come here and I've not enjoyed the customer service. This place, and I wouldn't mind coming back again.
I know.
What about you?
I feel well, I would appreciate if the music was turned down a little bit. It's a little bit high, so if you're working here during an afternoon, that might be a little bit distracting.
Yeah.
But the food was very tasty. The kitchen, I enjoyed. I had crackling pork ribs. Pork belly, yes, and that was really nice. That was very tasty. And I had a mocktail and a latte, so I enjoyed every bit of it. The service, they are constantly present. They keep asking, "Are you okay? Should we bring you something?"
Yeah,
which I find is very thoughtful.
Sometimes people see it as it's disturbing. I don't know. Some people see that as disturbing, like they're asking every. They don't want that, but
imagine sitting here for 30 minutes and nobody asks you what do you want. That feels like they're not even bothered about you. So I find that it has the opposite effect for me. In terms of aesthetics, oh Lord, beautiful.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. So I'm glad I came here with you, spend the afternoon with you. Looking forward to explore more.
The next one, you
I
guys
know.
stay tuned for the next one.
Stay tuned.
Yeah.
Her channel is
At Lavin Maruti Lavigne. That's why it's written Lavigne Maruti.
yeah. I'll write here, and then you can follow her both on Instagram and on YouTube as well.
Yeah. Very nice. We're going to do bowling. I'm gonna beat you in bowling.
I look forward to that. I'm telling you, this chick is wearing heels to bowling. My
Yes.
gosh. Please, when I grow up, I want to be her.
But anyway, I'm not saying I'm not afraid bowling. Maybe just some issues.
I
going
find
to
that
try
hard to
out.
believe. I find that hard to believe, but we'll find out.
We'll find out.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning.
It's finished, and now it's home time.
It's home time, guys. It's close to 8 p.m. right now.
Thank you for spending the afternoon with us, and check out our channel and subscribe.
Yes. See you guys.
Bye bye.